Hello dear learners, this is Sindhu Sarkar, an English teacher, English version senior section, Milestone School and College. Welcome you all to our online class. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty and you have been doing well with your educational activities. Dear students, I hope you have started this year with a good note and you have been collecting all the informations from Zoom classes and video classes properly. Dear students, if you pay attention right from the beginning of the class, you will be able to get rid of all kinds of problems that you have. So dear students, before going to start our today's lesson, I am going to ask you some questions from the previous lesson. Okay? Can you remember the previous lesson? It was about preposition. Yes, very good. So first question for you here, what is preposition? Who can say? Yes. Preposition is a part of speech that is placed before noun or pronoun and it makes relation with other words of the sentence. Very good. Now, second question for you. Can you give an example of participle preposition? Yes. Here the example, considering the matter, I went there. Here considering, considering is acting here as participle. At the same time it has been acting as a preposition here. Instead of considering you can use here for the matter I went there. Okay, it is also okay. So that's why it is called participle preposition. Okay, very good. Now third and last question for you. Can you give an example of detached preposition? Yes, very good. This is the example of a detached preposition. I have no pen to write with. Here with is detached from the sentence. It is used at the end of the sentence. Okay. So this with is a detached preposition. Okay. Dear learners, I think all of you have learned all the previous lesson properly. So thank you all for learning the previous lesson. Now we are going to start our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is about model question 1 and 2. Write down CW number at the top of the page. In the model question 1 passage, this passage deals with actually Torun's first day at school. Torun went to school with his father by rickshaw and he was left at the school gate. After that he walked into the classroom and he found there his friends, classmates. Sometimes he got a teachers who came into the classroom and greeted all the students. So actually he got the environment, suitable environment of the classroom. So this is the day, first day of Torun's life at school. So the passage deals with this Torun's first day at school. Okay. Now, dear learners, odd meanings for you from model question 1. Here, interesting. It indicates exciting and pleasant. Exciting, pleasant. Yes. Then reach. It indicates get to, arrive at. Now, next one, warmly. In this model question, you have got this type of words. So, write it down in your CW copy. Warmly, it indicates cordially and heartily. Okay. Then, found. Found, it indicates saw and observed. Then, friendly. Final one, friendly. It indicates amiable and cordial. So these are the word meanings from the model question 1. You have already written it, I think so. So write it down properly. Now dear learners, multiple choice questions for you from model question 1. The word new means. Here you are getting 4 answers, 4 options here. Old, ancient, recent and outdated. So this one will be the answer. New means recent. New means what? Recent. I have written here, Then the word go means. What will be the answer? Here you are getting 4 options again. Leave, take, proceed, abandon. So what will be the answer? Proceed. Yes, very good. Now, third number question. The word said means. The word said means told, admired, admitted, coupled. What will be the answer? Told. Yes. Now, fourth question for you. What do you mean by the gate? Gate. What do you mean by the word gate? Here you are getting options, 4 options. Entrance, outdoor, way and road. What will be the answer? Entrance. Yes. Now, fifth and final question for you. The word seat means. So, seat is meant for, here 4 options, annex, offshoot, displace and bench. So, the answer will be bench. Yes. Write it down properly in your CW copy. Okay. So that you can revise it later on and it will be very helpful for your exam. Okay. So, dear learners, write it down properly. Now, I am giving you some questions. Okay, dear learners, now answer the following questions. First question for you. How was the first day of Torun? Write it down in your CW copy and write the answer also. Then second question, where was he left? Torun was left by his father at the school gate. So, write down the answer properly. Now, who said goodbye to Torun? You have already got the idea about the passage, so I think you will be able to write down the answer. Now, fourth question for you. How did the teacher greet the students? Can you remember? Yes. Write down the answer. How were the students? Actually, how were the students? Okay. So, write down the answer of these 5 questions. Okay. Now, I am writing the answers also and you will match the answer with your answers. Okay. Okay. Dear learners, these are the answers. The answer of the first question, how was the first day of Torun? The first day of Torun at the new school was interesting. Okay. I think all of you have written. Now, where was he left? He was left at the school gate. He was left at the school gate. Okay. Then, who said goodbye to Torun? Father of Torun, said goodbye to him. Then, how did the teacher greet the students? The teacher greet the students warmly. The teacher greet the students warmly. How were the students? Actually, how were the students? The students were friendly. The students were friendly. Okay. So, I think all of you have written the answers. Now, dear learners, here fill in the gaps for you. I went dash and found that everyone had gone. So, here I went in and found that everyone had gone to class. I dash into my classroom. I walked into my classroom and found a seat. After some time, a teacher came. And warmly greeted us. Okay. So, I think you will be able to write down the answer. Okay. Now, I am also writing down the answer. I went in. Write it down with me and match the answers. If you have written it, match the answer. I walked into my classroom and found a seat. After some time, a teacher came and warmly greeted us. So, dear learners, the answers first on A, in, B, walked, and for C, it will be sit, and number D, came, and E number will be warmly. Dear students, I have practiced so far, we have practiced so far from model question 1. Now, we are going to practice from model question 2. Okay, dear students? Okay, dear learners, now we are going to start model question 2. Before going to start model question 2, we have to know, we have to know the passage properly. Okay, so read out the passage. Just I am giving you the idea what the passage deals with. Okay, actually this passage is dealing with, Babul. Babul goes to a school in Dhaka and his parents live in Tangail district in a small town. Okay, but recently Babul has got a result of a test, that is English test, and he has got A, and he is talking with his father over phone, and his father, that congratulating him. Okay, so this is the message of this passage. Now we are going to practice MCQ questions, gap fillings, and short questions also. Okay. Dear learners, in case of multiple choice questions, here first question, Babul has got MA dash test. You are getting options here: Bangla, English, Math, Science. Then second number question, the word again means occasionally, often, never, seldom. So you have to write down the correct answer in your CW copy. You have to write down the correct answer. Then third number question, Bulbul goes to school, college, university, visit. Here we will write down the correct answer. Then from the options you have to write down the correct answer. The word by means admiration, appreciation, value. Which one is correct? Write it down. Then fifth and final question, who is proud of Babul's result? Father, mother, sister or brother? So write down the answer at first, then I am giving the answers. I think all of you have written down the answers properly. Now, dear learners, match the answers with me. So, answer of the first question, Babul has got an A in English test. So, it will be English test. Okay, then the word again means open. Again means open. Then Babul goes to where? Babul goes to school. In Dhaka city, he goes to high school. Okay. Then the word by means. By means here you are getting here four options: admiration, appreciation, value. Admiration means praise. Appreciation means also it indicates your praise. Value that indicates that doesn't mean by. So edu indicates here by. So the answer is edu. Okay. Then who is proud of Babul's results? From the passage we have learned that Babul's father is proud of Babul's results. So answer will be Babul's father. So dear learners, these are the answers of the MCQ, multiple choice questions. Do it properly. Now, dear learners, here answer the following questions. First question for you: who goes to a school in Dhaka? Then same question: how is Babul talking to his father? How is Babul talking to his father? Then third question: where do Babu's parents sleep. You know, we have got it from the passage. What is the result of Babu's English test? Then, fifth and final question: who is proud and why? Who goes to school? Goes to a school in Dhaka? Answer will be Babul goes to a school in Dhaka. Then, second question, dear learners, answer of the second question. How is Babul talking to his father? Babul talking to his father over telephone. Over telephone. Okay. Now, answer of the third question. Where do Babu's parents live? Answer will be Babu's parents live at a small town in Tangail district. Tangail district. Okay. At Tangail district. Okay. Then, what is the result of Babu's English test? You know, Babu has got A in English test. He got A in English test. Okay. Who is proud and why? Babu's father is proud. Babu's father is proud. Okay. Why? Because he got A in English test. In English test. So, dear learners, these are the answers of these questions. I think all of you have written it properly. Now, dear learners, what meanings for you? Dad, well done, care, proud, by. So, you have to write the word meaning of this word. Write it down in your CW copy. Dad means father. Well done. That means bravo. Care. Attention. Care means attention. Proud means feeling pride. Feeling pride.
then bye. Goodbye, you can say bye means goodbye or adieu. Okay, so these are the word meanings. Write it down in your CW copy properly. Okay, dear students, now we are going to start gap fillings. Okay, dear learners, in case of fill in the gaps, here Babul dash to a school in Dhaka, here gap again. Then his parents gap in a small town in dash district. Then Babul is talking to his father dash telephone. So in your passage, I have given this one. So if you go through the passage, it is very much easy to solve. Now I am solving. You will also solve with me. Okay, Babul goes. So what will be the answer? Goes to a school in Dhaka and here and his parents live then in a small town in which district? Tangail district. Tangail district. Then Babul is talking to his father dash telephone. What will be the answer? Dear learners, over telephone. Yes, over telephone. So these are the answers of this fill in the gaps. First one, A goes, B and then C live, D Tangail and E over. So I think all of you have written it properly in your CW copy. Okay, dear students, now we are going to practice more questions from model question 1 and 2. Okay, dear learners, here some questions for you. Answer the following questions. First question, how did Torun go into his classroom? Second question, do you think the atmosphere of the school was suitable for studies and why? Then, where is the home district of Babul? Third number question. Then, fourth number question, who came in the classroom after some time? Now, write the answers. Now, match the answers with me. How did Torun go into his classroom? Torun actually walked into his classroom. Okay, then do you think the atmosphere of the school was suitable for studies and why? Yes, answer will be yes, the atmosphere of the school was suitable because why? Because both the teachers and students were friendly. Okay. So, do you think the atmosphere of the school was suitable for the studies? It will be yes, the atmosphere of the school was suitable for studies because both the teachers and the students were friendly. Okay, then where is the home district of Babul? So, the home district of Babul is The home district of Babul is Tangail. Who came in the classroom? Who came in the class after some time? What will be the answer? A teacher came in the classroom after some time. Okay, so these are the answers of these questions. I think you have written it properly and you have done well. Okay, dear learners, now we are going to the next part. Okay, dear learners, now matching column A and column B, you have to match it. Okay, there are, so from the column B, there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. So it matches with this one. Okay, then summer is the first season in Bangla calendar. Then Boishak and Jyeshta constitute what? Summer. Okay, then in summer the weather becomes very hot and dry. Okay, various seasonal fruits are found at this time. So write it down, I mean match with me in your CW copy. There are 6 seasons. Summer is the first. Then Boishak and Jyeshta constitute summer. In summer the weather becomes very dry and hot. Various seasonal fruits are found at this time. Okay, so these are the solutions of this matching. I think all of you have written it properly. Okay, dear learners, now in the feedback session I am going to ask you some questions. I think all of you have learned the lesson today properly. Now give me the answers of these questions. What is the meaning of the word homely? Then who were greeted? Then third number question, who went to school with Tarun? Then fourth number question, what do you mean by the term take care? I think all of you will be able to write down the answers properly. So write it down. Cordially. Then who were greeted? The students were greeted by the teacher. Then who went to school with Tarun? Who were greeted? Students were greeted by the teacher. Okay, then answer of the third number question, who went to school with Tarun? His father went to school. His father went to school with Tarun. Or you can write Tarun's father went to school with him. Okay, his father went to school with Tarun. Then what do you mean by the term take care? This term means paying attention. Paying This term is paying attention. This term is paying attention. So I think, dear learners, all of you have learned this lesson. I mean, the feedback session properly. You have answered all the questions of the feedback session properly. Now, dear learners, I am going to give you homework. Now, dear learners, this is the homework for you. I think all of you have written the homeworks. So, thank you all for being with me. Thank you all.